And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here it is one of the state university, that is IK Gujral Punjab Technical University. So in this university, here the few walk-in interviews are conducting to the few departments, and here the date and time for the interview is also given. So actually I did this video in the previous couple of days back. So the candidates who are watching new, so here one more notice I want to extend to this one. So the candidates who already watched this notification, just I want to show you one more notification, that is as per the directions of the competent authority, interviews scheduled for employment of guest faculty, various departments or stream for the session of July-August 2020. Advertisement number 2027 to dated 17/7/2020 stand postponed till further orders. Okay, so it is a notice that I want to tell you here. The interview schedules are postponed still the further orders. That means the postponed dates are not fixed yet. Fine, so they are postponed. But here the candidates who are looking for the first time this advertisements, just check the departments here: computer science and engineering, ECE, electrical engineering, physical science, mechanical, chemical, English, mathematical, hotel management, civil, journalism and mass communication, management and humanities. So these are the total departments where the walk-ins are announced. So for this one, there is no written test. Directly you can go for the walk-ins. And the minimum qualification is a PhD in the relevant field. In case the PhD qualification are not available, then the candidates with lower qualification may also be considered. Okay, so it is purely on the hourly basis at the rate of 1000 rupees for the PhD candidates and 750 rupees for the master's degree candidates respectively. So as per this notification here, the UG Senate is not mentioned. So the candidates who are having the master's degree without UG Senate or without PhD, then you may attend to this walk-in interviews. But to attend the interview, for the dates that has to be published on the official website. So right now these dates are postponed. Okay, so the candidates who are watching this one, if you fix to this dates, so please inform to your friends or colleagues also these dates are postponed. And for the revised dates, please continuously check in the official website of this technical university. Is it clear, guys? So I will provide this link in the description box of this video for more details. And for accurate and the more notifications, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan.